Hi, welcome to another episode of Truckee Dog TV. Today we're visiting with Ripple and Cassidy. There's Cassidy. She loves playing fetch. There's Ripple. There's a lot of snow in the yard, so they only stick to their trails pretty much. Ready? Oh, Ripple's harassing Cassidy. Here it is. Cass, look. This way. Cassie's looking for the ball. Keeps going in the deep snow, so we lose sight of it. Cass, here's one. Here you go. Here you go. Ready? I think she missed it again. Oh, Ripple got it. All right, you guys ready? Ready? This way. This way. See, Cassidy wants her yellow ball. It went somewhere in the snow, so we're gonna have to look for it. Cass, where's the ball? Get the ball. I don't know what Ripple's digging for. Ripple's got her orange ball. Cass needs the yellow one. I guess she doesn't like the orange one. I don't know where it went. Oh, here it is. Ripple. Cassidy. Cass, right here. Look. Cass. Cass. Cassidy. Ready? She got it. Probably won't let that one go. Alright, this is what we're going to do for a while. You guys be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.